William, the Domino administrator, has issued a name change request for a user. The user rejected the name change request when prompted. What step, if any, must William take next to complete the name change request? Option A. William must manually choose to reject or reissue the name change. Option B. Nothing, as admin will process the rejection and reject the name change. Option C. Nothing, as the user no longer has a choice to reject name change requests. Option D. William must configure admin to automatically process name change rejections. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following is the purpose of the RNR-MGR task? Option A. To create an individual document for each mail user in the new RNR BusyTime database with BusyTime marked. Option B. To watch for reservation requests in RNR database and to process them in the order in which they arrive or were created. Option C. To scan all the mail users, rooms and resources in the domain and populate the BusyTime database with the free time for each one. Option D. To obtain a list of all rooms and resources across the local and foreign domains and consolidate the free time into a single BusyTime database on a daily basis. The correct answer is option B. Mitch, the Domino administrator, is listed as editor in the database ACL and can see the results from probes in the ddm.nsf database. However, he is unable to assign the events to the proper people. What is the cause? Option A. You may not assign events in ddm.nsf. Option B. He does not have the role assign events. Option C. He does not have the role event assigner. Option D. He does not have manager rights in the database ACL. The correct answer is option B. New users are attempting to change their Lotus Notes user.i.d. password. However, anyone that attempts to end the new password with an exclamation point is denied from using that new password. What is the cause of this denial? Option A. Custom client policy. Option B. Custom desktop policy. Option C. Custom control policy. Option D. Custom password policy. The correct answer is option D.